My name is Pieter Wijsma, I'm the founder of VarmX, and what we do at VarmX is develop a drug that restores blood coagulation in individuals who use blood thinners. So without UNIIQ, VarmX would not have been there. They were the first investor in VarmX. Yeah, that made it all possible. As academics, we had no experience in how to build a company. Presenting for UNIIQ and its independent advisors was relatively smooth and straightforward. Try to be really good at what you do, be a true expert. Disclosure is everything. Be open about what you want, what you do, and try to execute on your dream.